The world is now waking up to realize the potential of synthetic biology. My project is focused on biofuel, developing a technology that can be able to convert waste into value, specifically into sustainable aviation fuel. The technology I'm developing is called gas fermentation. I'm engineering a bacteria that can feed on gases only and give us the desired product, that is isobutanol, a direct precursor for making sustainable aviation fuel. I also want to make sure that we use this technology for the development of African bioeconomy, because the technologies can address some of the challenges we have in health, agriculture, environment, and the world is moving away from fossil fuel to renewable energy. So this is a potential technology to drive the world towards net zero carbon emission.